So this my friend, he gave me 200,000.
Okay.
I was now asking him, why would you give me 200,000
Okay.
when my share is 500,000? As friends, I said, okay. I waited.
Okay.
After some period of time again, I didn't see anything.
Okay.
I asked him, I called him and asked him, my friend, where is my money? That was when we started quarreling. And the
Okay.
quarrel was because I asked him, where is my remaining
Balance.
balance?
Okay.
So he now started fighting me.
Okay.
He fought me and fought me and fought me until we somehow became enemies.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
All right, please, what's the name?
Okay, I'm Frank.
Frank. Frank, how are you doing?
Uh, I'm strong by His grace. Yes.
All right, Frank, before I go into details why I invited you down to, sorry, before I go into details why I invited you down to this place, I would first of all appreciate you for honoring my invitation. So please, do you know this young lady here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend.
All right, there is an issue she brought to my table that led to me inviting you down to this place. What is this issue? She said for some time now, for a very long time, you have been seriously sick. Sorry. To the extent that she stopped her work, she stopped working just to take care of you. And she said that you guys have been going to different places in search of solution. First of all, she said you guys went to the hospital. After the series of texts, they said you have typhoid and malaria as usual, and they started treating you based on that. But instead of getting better, things are getting worse. Understand? To the extent that the hospital said they don't know what to do anymore, that you people should check elsewhere to know where what is happening to you is coming from, that it is not medical. Understand? So, according to your girlfriend Jennifer here, she said you guys started asking questions. Then some people recommended native doctor to you guys. Then you people went to a native doctor who said he's going to give you guys medicine to drink, that in 2 3 days time you will pour out everything you've taken. He actually said that what is wrong with you is being caused by poison, that you took poison. Then he gave you guys this medicine. When you got home, your girlfriend said you refused taking it, but she pleaded with you until you started taking it. But after the second day, you did not vomit anything. Then the third day, nothing. She said you guys went back to the man and told him that what he gave to you guys did not work. Sorry, just calm down, yeah? That what he gave to you guys did not work. Then the man said he do not know what to do again. That anybody that comes here, when it comes to the issue of poison, that once he gives the person this medicine, that in 3 days time the person will vomit everything. He then said you people should check somewhere else, that there is nothing else he can do. Then, according to your girlfriend, he said you guys started asking question again. Someone recommended a white garment church where you people went to, and they said you people should bring pigeon, candle, and the rest of them, that they are going to bait you and so on. She said she brought everything they asked you people to bring, but after doing all they know best to do, nothing to show for it. Then someone else recommended a church, a ministry. You people went to this ministry. They said you guys are going to spend 14 good days in that ministry. You were placed under fasting and prayer and other things. According to her, she said they did so many things: prayers, fasting, and the rest of them. That let her say the truth, that After that 14 days, you started getting better and you people went home. Then, after a week, the sickness came back again and even worse. That you people went back to the church again, they started with their prayers again, but nothing is working. Then, one of these days, she was going through social media when she saw our program and decided to reach out to us. So I just got to see her email some days ago and I invited her down to this place, which was the reason why she came here before we invited you down. Understand? Now I asked her, why are you here? She said she's here to find out exactly what is sorry. She said she's here to find out exactly what is wrong with the boyfriend. That this thing, that you are a very good person, that you've been so good to her. You understand that you're a nice person, that she wants to know the root of your sickness, that there is no place you people have not gone to in search of solution, but yet nothing to show for it. So now, bros, after telling us this story, I invited my seer into it. Sorry, behind your girlfriend is my seer, who by grace of God, he sees secret and deep things, and he also know when someone is telling lies, be you who. And before us here is camera, we are recording this program and the world is watching. So please, haven't told you what your girlfriend said, because my seer said he wants to hear this story from the horse's mouth, which is the reason why we brought you down to this place. So I would want you to tell us exactly what is wrong with you and how it all started and the places you've gone to in search of solution. So what do you have to say?
Mm. Everything my woman said, they are all they are all true. Uh, this thing happened some months ago,
Okay.
so I wasn't feeling myself anymore
Okay.
until I ended up in the hospital.
Sorry. Calm down. Some relax. Okay. Just calm down. Okay. It happened some months ago and they ended up in the hospital. And what happened?
So they gave me sick bed. After staying in the hospital for a long time, they told us that they are not seeing anything, that the what they are seeing is spiritual something. And in fact, they cannot have us in the hospital again. By then, they have collected a huge sum of money, both treatment, tests to bed, everything.
Okay.
So they sent us out. So my woman took me to the house because she is the one carrying me up and down. Mm,
Calm
She,
down. Okay.
she has been a very good woman to me. So she used to carry me up and down until we got home. She could not rest. She started asking questions. She asked many people for help.
Okay.
She asked and asked until they directed her to one church.
Okay.
So a white garment church.
Okay.
She came and talked to me. So she everything she was, because it is not easy for me. So she will come and beg and beg and beg before I will accept. We will go to the church. When we got to the
What can
white
I
garment church,
Okay.
so they said we are going to buy incense. We bought incense. We bought many things. They even said they are going to bath me with water, inside water.
Sorry. Sorry. Calm down. Hmm? Relax. Are you okay? Relax. Just calm down. Relax. Okay. They said they are going to bathe you in water, and what happened?
So after bathing me with the water, they still brought out broom and started flogging me with the broom. They flog all my body
For real.
for real, all in the name of chasing out the sickness in me. So
Okay.
after all said and done, they said it will go. Nothing happened. We went home, and the whole thing was very, very serious. So my woman started asking question again. So later on, they directed her to one babalawo, one herbalist.
Okay.
So she came and begged me because that is the last place I ever wanted
Want
to
to
go.
go.
She begged and begged. She even cried.
Okay.
Well, if somebody they are carrying around, I'm not even supposed to be doing guy. Because what if she decide not to help me again? What will I do? So I have no option. I followed her just for her to be happy. We went there. The herbalist said that the thing happening to me, oh,
Mhm.
that thing is poison.
Okay.
It is poison.
Okay.
That there is this substance he's going to give me.
Okay.
So when I take it, just under 3 days, or I'm going to vomit everything.
Okay.
We took the substance. We went home.
Okay.
I took the thing the first day, second day, third day, nothing happened.
Okay.
Uh, we even waited and waited to know whether it will still happen again, but nothing. So my woman, we went there back to the Baba angrily.
Okay.
The herbalist was telling us that no man has ever come, nobody has come to his shrine and used that substance and that thing remained the same. That the person will take it and start vomiting the whole thing instantly.
Okay.
That for our own case, that he doesn't know what to
What
do.
to do again?
He also sent us out of his shrine.
Okay.
So this is how we kept on walking around, looking for help.
Okay.
My woman cannot just stay in a place because she is very, very bitter. So she kept on asking people until they still gave her another church. They say that place is a ministry.
Okay.
So they say we are going to go there.
Okay. Calm down.
Mhm.
Relax. Just relax. Relax. Are you okay? Mm. Don't worry, you'll be fine, yeah? Relax. So, okay. People went to the ministry and what happened?
We went to the ministry. So when we got there, they say we are going to stay in the ministry for 14 days.
Mm. Okay.
14 days.
Okay.
So we stayed inside there with all the prayers, even fasting and prayer.
Okay.
Everything. We bought candle, many candle different colors.
Mm.
We bought it. They started praying.
Okay.
So after the 14 days, we went home. Then the thing that was happening, it stopped too. It stopped for some period of time.
Okay.
Then later on, it was as if they now put fire, as in,
The
as if
thing became
it
worse.
became worse. So I
Okay.
couldn't, as in, it was too much.
Okay.
Even I would have preferred the way it was before,
Than now.
than now.
Okay.
So everything turned, the whole thing became worse after the 14 days.
Okay.
So it was then that my woman came across you people
Okay.
on the internet. I don't know what you're looking for. I don't know how she.
Calm down.
Mm,
Sorry. Sorry.
mm,
Hmm? Sorry. Relax. Just lay your back. Relax.
mm.
Relax. Okay. It was then she came across us. You don't know what she was looking on.
I don't know what she was looking for. I don't know. She just came and told me that she saw some group of people online, that they used to help people that are sick, people that have problem,
Okay.
that we must go. I told
Okay.
her that me, I cannot go. She saw my condition, that it is very, very
Critical.
critical with me now. If it is before, I will manage and go.
Okay.
So she decided to come on her own.
Okay.
So it was after then that you people invited me. And the reason why I came, she said you people can give me help,
Okay.
that you can render help to me. That is why I came. I want to be strong again. Please,
Okay.
you people should help me.
All right. No problem. Hmm? Calm down. I've heard your story. People, you guys have heard what Frank said that is happening to him. It's just the same thing the girlfriend said to us. He has been with this sickness for months now, yet nothing is changing. He said he wants to be strong again. He wants to be back on his feet again. And I pray that he's going to be back on his feet. So, without wasting anybody's time, sorry, sorry. So, without wasting anybody's time, I want to bring Sia into this very issue. Let's hear what Sia has to say concerning it. Sia, ekenekwa gị nke ukwuu. Biko, ya bụ nwatakịrị nwoke isi m mee ka ọ bịa ebe a, ọ bịagokwen. Afọ ya bụ Frank. Akọrọ m ya ihe enyi ya nwaanyị butere anyị okwu a kwuru, wee jụọ ya ka ihe o nwere ikwu na ya bụ ihe. Ọ gwa m na ihe niile enyi ya nwaanyị kwuru na-eziokwu. Gwa m na ọ nọkọtara otu ụbọchị arụ wee bido, ya bụ arụ bido mewe ya. Ọ sị na ha gara ụlọ ọgwụ, eneche ya une, emeche ya ihe niile, mana otu abụghị ezi. Ewee gwa ha na ha ga-abịa nawa, napụcha ha ego niile a napụrụ ha n'ụlọ ọgwụ ahụ, wee sị ha naba na ha ga-abịa nawa. Ya bụ nwatakịrị nwoke si ha ekwunie naba, mana na nwa ya nwaanyị, iyi ya nwaanyị a n'ebe a achọrọ izu ike, ọpụkwa bido jụba ese. N'ebe ọ na-ajụ ese ka a gwara ha gaa na nke ndị ụka white. Ha agawakwa na nke ndị ụka white, gwara ha gote ọtụtụ ihe, kwukwe nna a ga-asị arụ na mmiri. Ọ sị na a sara ya arụ na mmiri. Ka a sachara ya bụ arụ, eweta azịza wee pịapụ ya ajọ mmụọ na alụ. A sị na a na-achọ ịpịapụ ya bụ ihe na-eme ya. Ọ sị ka nke ahụ mechie na otu awụrọkwa n'ezi, na ihe na-ebe ka na-ebekwe. O wee si ya bụ ebe na enyi ya nwaanyị jụbakwa na-ese ọzọ. Ka ọ na-ajụ ya bụ ese, asị ya na ha ga-aga nke onye dibịa, onye omenala. E wee gaa ya bụ ebe, ya bụ nwoke gwa ha na ihe na-eme ya nọkwa poison na-eme, na ọ ga-eyi ya ihe ọ ga-ahụ n'abalị ịtọ, na ọ ga-agbọchichi ya bụ ihe. Ọ sị n'otu a ka ha si wee gaa ya bụ ebe, wee nata nwa ya bụ ọgwụ. Ka abalị atọ gacha na o nwere ihe agbọ, o wee cheta obele ka ọ ma ka ọ ga-agbọ ya bụ ihe. Ọ sị ka ọ chechere ihe niile oche na o nwere ihe ọgbọ. O wee gaa na nke ya bụ nwoke. Ya bụ nwoke wee gwa ha na onwe bụ onye bịara ebe a n'ahịa ndịrị arụ a na-ayị ndịrị ha na-ayị eghere ọgwụ a na-agbọrọ ya bụ ihe, na ihe mee bụ na ha ga-abịa nawa ga chọọ ebe ọzọ ha ga-aga. Ọ sị otu a ka ha si ebe ahụ naba. Ka ha si ebe ahụ naba wee weta onwe ha n'ụlọ ụka, ụlọ ekpere, ebe ha ga-asị na ha ga-eme ha ekpere abalị 14 na ha ga-anọ n'ụlọ nsọ ahụ. Ọ sị n'ebe ahụ ka ha nọ wee na-emeri ekpere, na-eme ihe niile. Ka emechikwa ya bụ ihe abalị 14 ahụ, na o wetakwara onwe ya ihe niile wee na. Mana ka ofu izu na-aga, ya bụ ihe wee bido ọzọ. Ọ sị na o bido kalụ njọ ka o si dịbuo na mbụ. Ọ sị na ọ gakwara ịkarị ya mma na otu ahụ o si emebu ya na mbụ ka o si eme ya karịa kịta, na ya bụ ihe bịa ma kawaye njọ. Ọ sị na ọka ihe a na-emezi ka ya bụ nwa eyi ya nwaanyị fụrụ ihe anyị na-eme, wee bịakwute ya wee gwu ya na owe ndị ọfụ na-enyere mmadụ aka na soshal midia, na ọ ga-achọ ka ha gaa ya bụ ebe. Ya bụ nwatakịrị nwoke si na ọma nga merụ nwa ya nwaanyị, eyi ya nwaanyị a ji wee bịawa sọọsọ ya, wee bịazie anyị ji wee mee ka ọ bịa ebe a n'ụbọchị nke taa. Ọ sị na anyị biko na ọ ga-ala ka iweta owu ya. Ọ sịrị anyị biko na ọ ga-ala ka ikwinye ọtọ, meekwa ihe ndị ọ dị mbụ eme. Ọ sịrị anyị biko na ọ chọrọ ịna ka o si bịa ebe ọzọ. Nwesị gị biko dododo ka ị nebagodo anya na ya bụ ihe na-eme ya, ka ị gwazie anyị ebe mmiri si gbaa opi ụgbọghọrọ na ndụ ya bụ nwatakịrị nwoke, ebe ihe na-eme ya si wee na-eme ya. Ekenekwa gị nke ukwuu. Come closer. Come. Just stand up. Sorry. 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 Relax. Okay. Okay. Sia wants to say something. Sia biko gaa n'iru gwa m ihe ịchọpụta n'ihe na-eme nwatakịrị nwoke a nọ ebe a. Ekenekwa gị nke ukwuu.
Ya bụ ife abụrụkwa na obere ife na-eme ya.
Sia said what is wrong with you is not just an ordinary something. Sia na m anụ ihe ị na-ekwu.
Ya bụ ife na-eri ya nri n'ime arụ.
He said this thing is eating deep down in you, as in it is eating your inside. Sia na m anụ ihe ị na-ekwu.
Maka na ọ ga-erigide ya, o richaa ihe niile nọ ya n'ime arụ tupu amara ihe na-eme, ọ bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ.
Sia said this thing will continue eating you up like this, until the very last day they will say this guy don't buy, but that will not be your portion. Sia na m ege ntị ihe ị na-ekwu.
Ọkwanụ nsị ka oli, mana ya bụ nsị oli adịrọ ka ndị nke anyị ma a na-efechanye.
Okay, Sia said that what you ate is poison, but it's not just an ordinary poison, that this one is extraordinary.
It is true. Because I know, I believe it is poison. And that is why I came. I want to know the person that poisoned me. Because I have somebody that my mind is telling me that he did the thing to me.
Okay, you have somebody in mind.
Yes, that is why I came. I want him to tell me. Let me know if it is that person.
Do you have a problem with this person?
Yes.
Okay, what is the problem you have with this person?
This problem, it started. It's not really my fault. It started some months back.
Okay.
He is my very good friend.
Okay.
So there is this business we did together.
Okay.
So this business is supposed to give me my own percentage.
Okay.
That cost about 500,000.
Okay.
So this my friend, he gave me 200,000.
Okay.
I was now asking him, why would you give me 200,000
Okay.
when my share is 500,000?
Okay.
And you have already taken your own share and also cut from my own share.
Okay.
I thought you are my friend. Why would you do this kind of a thing to me?
Okay.
He pleaded with me and begged and said he's going to pay me back.
Okay.
So as friends, I said okay. I waited.
Okay.
After some period of time again, I didn't see anything.
Okay.
I asked him, I called him and asked him, my friend, where is my money? That was when we started quarreling. And the quarrel was because I asked him, where is my remaining balance? Okay. So he now started fighting me. Okay. He fought me until we somehow became enemies. Okay. So one fateful day, he invited me to his house. Okay. So we just said I should come. Let us settle everything. Like a reunion. Okay. That we are old time friends. That we are not supposed to quarrel because of money. Okay. I should come. That he has his plan. He's going to give me back my money. Okay. Out of excitement and happiness. Okay. Because me too, I love that my friend and I don't want to lose him as a friend. Okay. So I was thinking that we are going to settle the whole thing there. And he's also going to give me my money there. Okay. So when we got there, he brought out drink. He even cooked self. He cooked. Okay. We ate as usual because we used to eat together.
So when
Sorry. Calm down. Relax. Okay. He brought that food. You people ate.
we used to eat together as friends. We
Okay.
ate and drank.
Okay.
So he told me that he's going to bring the money for me in 1 week time.
Okay.
Since that day that I left this house,
Mm-hmm.
I have not been myself again. I don't even have the strength, the energy to even call him on phone or even go to his house and start asking him for the money. So that is why I'm suspecting him because I think he wants to clear me out because of that money.
Because of 300,000 balance.
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of this person you are talking about?
This my friend, his name is Ugonna.
Ugonna.
Yes, Ugonna.
All right. No problem. See ya bụ nwatakịrị nwoke sịrị n'ezie nọọ ya bụ nsị bụ ihe ori na ọma mana na o wee ihe ọ na-enegara ya bụ onye ga-eme ya bụ ihe m wee sị ya owu ihe na-esere ya na onye a ọ sị m na owu ihe na-esere ya na nsị ya gịnị bụ ihe ọ sị m na okwu ego ọ sị na onye a bụ ezigbo ọnyịa ezigbo ọkwa aka ya na ya dị na mma na o wee azụmahịa ha zo ego pụtara na ya o kwesịrị iyi ya 500,000 naira mana kama ọ ga-enye ya bụ 500,000 o were 200,000 nye wee gwa ya na o mechie na ọ ga-eyi ya nke fọrọnụ o wee si ya na nsogbu adịrọ maka na ezigbo ọyị ya ka ọ bụ ọ sị ka ụbọchị na-aga izu agago ọwa aga ọfụrọ ya bụ ego o wee kpọọ ya bụ enyi ya nwoke si ekekwe n'ihe na-emenụ na ọfụbekwe ya bụ ego nke fọrọ afọ ya bụ enyi ya nwoke ahụ bido busowe ya agha nụsawe ọgụ ọ sị na ha bido n'ụwa ọgụ gbawa mgba nke mere ha bụrụ ezigbo onye ilo na ha bụ onye ilo mana ka ụbọchị na-agakwa ya bụ nwatakịrị nwoke wee kpọọ ya otu ụbọchị si na ya bịa na bịa ka ha dozie ya bụ ihe n'ọkwa mma na ha bụ ezigbo enyi na eyi ha etega aka ha bụwara eyi a na ekwesịrọ ka ego bụrụ ihe ga-ebute ntịsa n'etiti ha na mbụ o wee sị m o wee were obi aṅụrị wee gawa na nke enyi ya nwoke ahụ ka o ruru ebe ahụ o bupụta mmanya bupụta nri ha erie wee ṅụọ o wee gwa ya na ọ ga-enye ya bụ ego n'ofu izu ọzọ na-abịa ọ sị mana kemgbe ọ hapụrụ ya bụ ụlọ enyi ya nwoke ahụ wee naba nọ mbọsị ahụ ka ihe na-eme ya bido na-eme ya na ike ọ ga-ejigodi kpọọ ya bụ enyi ya nwoke ọ ga na bịa wee jụọ ya ese ya bụ ego adịrọkwụzi ya m wee sị ya ka afa enyi ya nwoke a na-ekwu okwu ya ọ sị m na afa ya bụ nwata nwoke bụ Ugonna m wee sị gị biko dododo ọ sị na ya bụ nwata nwoke a na-akpọ Ugonna ka ọ na-enegara ya merie ihe a na-eme ya m wee sị gị nebagodi anya na ya bụ ihe ka ị gwagodi anyị n'eziokwu ọnya bụ Ugonna na-eme ihe na-eme ya ka ebe ọzọ ka ihe na-eme ya si wee na-eme ya ọ sị na ọ chọrọ ịma ekenekwa gị nke ukwuu okay Sia wants to say something Sia ana m anụ ihe na-ekwu gaa n'iru
jukeni ya ma ya bụ enyi ya nwoke a ọ na-ekwu maka ya kemgbe ihe a bidoro ya ọ bịago bịa net ya.
Okay Frank, Sia said I should ask you that since this sickness started, this your friend you called Ugonna, has he ever come to check up on you?
He came only once. And
Only once?
Yes.
Okay, Sia, ọ sị na ọ bịa sọsọ ofu ugboro.
Jụọ ya ma enwere ka a ga-esi wee fụ ya bụ enyi ya nwoke a na-ekwu maka ya.
Okay, Sia said, is there any way we can get to see this your friend you are talking about?
Yes. There could be a way. There should be a way because even if it will be difficult, I would look for something. I would do something that will make him come.
You have his number, right?
Yes, I have his number on my phone.
Okay. No problem. Sia ọ sị na ewe ofere anyị ga-eji wee fụ ya bụ nwata nwoke na ọ bụrụgodị na ya bụ ihe sie ike na ọ ga-achọkwa ụzọ a ga-esi wee mee ka ọ bịa ebe a.
Si mee ka ya bụ enyi ya nwoke bịa.
Okay, Sia said we should find a way of inviting this your friend down to this place. So what is going to happen is that you are going to give me this your friend's number. Yeah? Give me his number. You have his number, right? Okay. Just calm down. Give me his number. Relax. Okay. Sia, onye go m nọmba ya bụ enyi ya nwoke, o nwere ihe ọzọ iwe ikwu na ya bụ okwu ka ọ gaa n'iru mee ka ya bụ Ugonna bịa ebe a ugbu a. Ekenekwa m gị.
Gaba n'iru.
Okay, Sia said I should go ahead to invite this said Ugonna down to this place. Let us hear from him. Just like you people know, we don't judge issue in one person's mouth. You've heard his own side of the story, what transpired between him and this Ugonna. Then we will invite Ugonna down to this place to come and tell us his own side of the story, so that Sia will look into it to ascertain if truly is this said Ugonna that is behind what is happening to him. He said they have issue concerning money. And it was the very day he left this Ugonna's house that what is happening to him started. So, Jennifer, do you know this Ugonna of a person?
Yes, I know him.
Okay. They are good friends.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So, people, without wasting anybody's time, you've watched this part. I would want you to click on the share button right now. Share this video, make it go viral for the world to watch and learn. Yeah? At the same time, stay tuned as I call this Ugonna to come down to this place and tell us his own side of the story. Please don't miss any episode. Don't miss the next part. Sorry, calm down. Don't miss the next part. We must get to the root of this very issue. So stay tuned to see how all these things is going to play out. Thank you.